William Arruda.
Being the best that you can be means you need to know what makes you exceptional. You need to know what makes you stand out and find a way to contribute that to the corporate brand. Let me give you my definition of a brand. It is nothing more than a unique promise of value. Take a look at the world's strongest brands. If I were to say to you, Volvo, what words come to mind? Safety. Because Volvo makes safe cars. It's not about creating an image for the outside world. It's not about what's fake. It's really about what's real and genuine and authentic. You're aligning who you are with what you do and how you do it. Your brand is based in who you really are, your best self. In going through the extract phase of the personal branding process, you learn a lot about who you are, what's important to you, what you value, what makes you exceptional, and how you can use that to be more successful.